This video I'm going to be teaching you one of the first songs I ever learned, and it's one of the easiest songs I think I've ever learned as well. It's Songbird by Oasis, and it only has 2 chords. So we start off with a G chord, a G, as we know, is the first finger on the fifth string of the 2nd fret, the middle finger the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your ring finger the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So, our next chord is going to be an E minor. This is one of the easiest chords. You only need your first finger and your middle finger. You want to put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And when you play this, you want to get your low E in it, because it's an E chord, so you want to get your low E in it and just play all 6 strings. Chord you need for that song, and that is how it goes. You start off in the G, play that for a while, then you go to the E minor, and then back to the G, that's all you need to know for Songbird by Oasis. You just want to stick it on and then play along with it. That's all the chords you need. Thanks.